Hi there, it's Robin Scrimger with Coldwell Banker Oceanside Real Estate here in beautiful Victoria, BC. And I am so excited today because we are listing 1135 McBriar. There are so many great things about not just this house, but also this location. It is situated on a quiet, dead-end cul-de-sac, so there's no through traffic or traffic noise, and you're only steps from the Lochside Trail. There's actually a little walkthrough right here on this road, and that gives you access to the Lochside Trail, either if you want to go north or head into downtown. It's great for cycling. You've also got the root cellar, which is just around the corner from here, and you've got access to tons of other amenities, and it's really close to get out of town. So aside from the location, this home actually has had a ton of additional updates over the last couple of years, including, as you can probably see behind me, it's been fully landscaped, so they've fully redone the front landscaping. They've also added new downspouts and a natural gas forced air furnace and heat pump. So you've got air conditioning as well as natural gas heating, which is a huge benefit, and it's also going to add a ton of cost savings. Inclusive in that, they've also redone the windows in the last couple of years. So from an infrastructure perspective, you're getting a home that is turnkey and ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour of this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you've got any questions, please give me a call, send me a text or an email, and in the meantime, enjoy all that Victoria has to offer.